Okay, Shara, you're on.
Well, hello everybody. My name is Shara, and this, as you can see, my bird Rebecca.
Rebecca.
Yeah, she is a bit shy nervous because she's only been here for about a couple of weeks. And right now, well, she's been a bit gross, but still.
We won't talk about that, will we?
No. Well,
Is this the first time she's been on your shoulder?
yeah, and my mum and dad have been holding her, but it's mostly Zach. This is the first time I've ever caught her. She's been flying around, and you might see a bit of cuts on her. And
Hang on a sec. Cut to Jared. Jared, what's Zach doing?
he's tickling me with his tail.
Is he tickling you with his tail?
Yes, but
No, move. Don't use your hand just yet.
yes, and he's so cute. Well, I'm Jared. My name's Jared, and this is Zach. Zach, as the Bible in the story. Yeah.
What's his name short for? What's Zach short for?
Isaac,
Ah, and what's his wife's name?
Rebecca, and they kiss each other really much, and I like to kiss him because he's so cute,
Shara, don't.
Daddy's getting the poop now.
and I like.
Has he ever sat on your shoulder before?
Well, no, and this is the first time.
Is this pretty exciting?
Yes.
You going to give him a kiss?
He really gets used to me when I kiss him.
Does he?
Yes, he does.
Oh, and there goes Rebecca. Hi, Rebecca.
Oh, she just pooped out there, didn't she?
Hi, Zach.
And he's really cute. You know
Yeah.
that? Rebecca.
Whoop, there she is. Okay, goodbye, everybody.